What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, we're all looking for that gem. We're all looking for that play that's going to be the next big thing, or could potentially give us that 10x, 20x short term as well as long term growth, depending on what it could be and what they could do in listing on exchanges and doing all these other things here. But I have a pre-sale to bring to the table that currently is in like the first or maybe a couple of like second stage of the pre-sale. But they have a price increase that's coming up soon that I feel like you might want to be a part of before the price increase happens if you do want to get into this play. So I suggest that you go and research any of the information that we have for this play, which is Wiener AI. If you guys want to check this out, feel free to look at it down below, which sounds weird to put that all together, but feel free to check out this down below. The link to everything will be in the description at the top of the description so you guys can research it for yourself. Take everything I say with a grain of salt here because this video is not meant for you to just purchase it directly off of here. This video is meant for you guys to kind of get a viewpoint or at least have it within your vision and not have tunnel vision in whatever you're looking at, but also see other things that are out there because there are other opportunities, other options that can provide you maybe even the same level of growth that you're looking for in some of these long-term projects or heavy use case projects that you could find here, right? 10x, you're finding a 10x over there, you find a 10x over here in maybe a shorter period of time. However, you will be taking risks in both situations. So let's go ahead and talk about Wiener AI. Again, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and also check out some of the links in the description for Margex or Patreon or Twitter. But if we look at the website, Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot, powered by Sausage Army. So you see the image of the wiener dog here. You have the pre-sale over to the right. Right now, within the next day, or actually 2 days, one day, 18 hours, 18 minutes, and 50, 49, 48 seconds until the next price increase. Currently, you can get one WAI for about 7% of a penny, at which you will see an increase. Currently, they have raised 1.3, almost 1.4 million dollars out of the 1.6 that they're looking for this specific phase. You can buy with ETH, you can buy with USDT or a card. You can also buy with BNB if you want to there. So you can connect your wallet and get that there. Also, let's look at all the information when it comes to staking percentages and stake. Understand that this may not be a static number, but you could gain a percentage, right, as you are staking the position. And this just creates strength within it as you see the launch of it. Typically, when you have price increases, you have something that starts at a lower price and ends at a higher price in order to incentivize people to hold for longer and believe in what that is. Staking is obviously an option, and it creates more and more strength as things do launch. So I always like that option there. But you have 1.4, 1.5 billion WAI that has been staked. Percentage of WAI staked is 68%. Rewards is 691%. Again, this may be a more dynamic of a dynamic percentage rather than a stat or a standard percentage, right? Just a flat percentage. Total rewards, you're seeing 849 million that has been pushed out in rewards, which is WAI. What is Wiener AI? Despite its hilarious sausagey exterior, Wiener AI is the pinnacle of AI trading technology. With girthy predictive features, Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. So they have enhanced trading, an AI interface that's instant, predictive, and noob friendly. Seamless sausage swaps, and never miss a golden opportunity. Again, zero fees. Wiener AI does not charge any fees. It's a good doggy. Um, and then MEV protection. Slap down your wiener and never get front run by a MEV bot again, which is big. I like the play on words that they're doing here. It's making me laugh every single time. You can see it. Um, not just a bot nor a simple sausage, but an AI powered crypto trading partner designed to give you the advantage you've been searching for. So you can buy WAI today. Outsmart the market with WAI, Wiener AI's predictive technology. Wiener AI's predictive technology, combined with its user-friendly AI interface, allows you to instantly scour the crypto market for those hidden gems and the gems that we all want, which could be this one. Ask Wiener AI to find your next trade, and it delivers the market analysis to help you win more often. You then seamlessly swap MEV free um, through decentralized exchanges. Tokenomics 30% to the pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% to the community rewards, 10% to DEXs and CEXs, and 20% to marketing. Total supply is 69 billion, which is not bad at all. They have their full breakdown for their master plan, which is their roadmap. They have step 1, step 2, and step 3, ending with token listings. And trading bot launched for the step 3. So if you guys want to go and buy it, connect your wallet, fund your purchases, swap tokens for WAI, and then stake WAI to earn more WAI. So if you want to know more about it, they have their FAQ. You can also go onto the website yourself and learn more about it. Here is their Twitter account right now, which has 6,900 or 7,000 followers at the current moment. It is something that's very interesting. I always like when pre-sales have, millions of dollars. They have multiple levels so that it can incentivize people to kind of get in early, stay in early, and then stake, which you can get a percentage back, which incentivizes people to stay in a lot longer. So honestly, could be an interesting play. I think you guys want to take a look at it. Give them some love, or go and check them out on Twitter. Ask them some questions. It's always great to do your research rather than just going out and buying. I mean, you have 2 days to really get into the pre-sale at this price. So if you like it, make sure you do your research to get to that point that you truly like it. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you want to check out Wiener AI, feel free to check out all of the links down below. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.